D&D Davison, lwbsvrwxupdate overnight edition radar update here about 2 o'clock in the morning. You can see we have tornado warnings in the state of Missouri. You can see there is some good amount of rotation here between Unionville and Kirksville here near and east of Milan, and there's also a flash flood warning. You can see we had some rotation. These is all part of a bigger system that is going on right now. The mesoscale convective system currently going on. We're going to zoom out on the radar right now. This is a velocity scan. We're going to zoom out on the radar. And take a look at storm predator radar. You can see where this MCS, mesoscale convective system, huge lines here. Gainesville, Springfield, that's going through Springfield, going towards the St. Louis here. We're going to put this in a loop mode here. You can just see this thing is going to go right towards the St. Louis, Missouri area. We got tornado warnings. You can see these cells back here. They're going to move towards St. Louis during the evening. We had 3 thunderstorm warnings. These warnings kind of pop out here. Bad image, I'm thinking. But you can see this outflow boundary also ahead of this MCS. And I widened this radar out here so you can see the whole lot area of Missouri here. Look at these cells popping here. We got near Kirksville. The town of Kirksville it's got to be looking at a tornado possibly coming through it at this point. We have 3 thunderstorm warning north of Mulberry. You see this MCS is just, it's bowed out, and it has little indentions of rotation coming down the line here in northern parts of Missouri. We're looking again now at this Kirksville. You can see that rotation pretty well here in this radar. I'm just on the edge of the radar, but you can see, it's just been on the edge of the radar. Look at that green next to red couplet. Unbelievable here. And you can see how that couplet comes together. 1, 2, and Kirksville, look at that. Pretty strong couplet going on there with this storm reflective velocity scan. Taking a more high definition look at this radar. This is via weatherunderground.com. So at St. Louis, you're going to about get plowed within the next hour by this line. Kirksville, with that rotating thunderstorm moving to southeast, I'd be watching out Macon. If I was you, we're going to move in a little closer on this. Brashear, La Plata, and Atlanta, Shelbyville. These are storms I would not be messing with, as you can see there is rotation, storm scale rotation in the storm inflow coming in here. Look at the winds. Look at the winds here. 66 degrees. That's almost 40 knot winds coming into this, coming out of the storm, and the winds coming out of the east further south. So there is the northwest here. Look at there's definitely going to be some rotation in that storm near La Plata. Keep close eye on this storm. We're going to even go down closer. I'm going to map this even closer. Look at this. Clarence Memorial Airport. Millard. This storm is right on top of you now going towards La Plata. 156 and 63, that intersection. I wouldn't be there if I was you. Watch out for some storm rail scale rotation as tornado warning has been issued. Another radar stop here in Council Bluffs, Omaha. You see this line moving in. Here's severe thunderstorm warning now for the area of Council Bluffs and Omaha, Nebraska. This is at 2:27 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And one more quick look here. This is in the vertical integrated liquid. This is for hailstones. You can see that you're actually having some good returns here. 35 is a pretty good return. We could be having some hail up here. These may get warned on a little bit later, but you see Roanoke over here, Beckley, Charleston. This is going near Parkersburg. This should be heading towards Morgantown, West Virginia later this evening if these hold together. And we're going to go back to a base reflectivity on this. An air storm. Parkersburg, going towards Morgantown. We got this one east of Charleston, but nothing going on in the Roanoke Valley, and that'll be all for now. This is D&D Davison, lwbsvrwxupdate.com with a severe weather radar update overnight edition.